JTECH is on the beat.
Right then everyone, so thank you ever so much for watching this short little clips of of the engine running. Last episode we put the engine in, and obviously the weekend after that we put connected it all back up, alternator, fan belt, radiator, the lot back on, me and my mate. And so after that, got the oil pressure up, running, absolutely runs a dream. Got an RC40 back box on the back, straight through to a 3-into-1 branch manifold, stage 1 kit on it, and all the little bits and bobs. Yeah, so just like to say a massive thank you to Paul Jeffries for sorting out the gearbox for me, sort of side of things. So a massive shout out to you, mate, and a massive shout out to Adam Campion as well, who came over and he stripped the engine, and then he, like, obviously to find out what was wrong with it, and they came about 3 weeks ago and helped me rebuild it back together. We are currently sat on just the beginning of March, which I would like to announce that the car is hopefully going for an MOT in early April, so about the 5th or 6th. That's the aim anyway. Dog passed away about a month back, and so in April we're getting a new dog, so that's going to be the new helper sort of thing. But yeah, just like to say massive thank you to Dave also for pointing Paul Jeffries towards me, or to get us in contact or whatever. And just massive thank you to everyone who's just held on for now, and bits like that. I will be bringing a short update video within the next 2 weeks, and because I've got mocks and GCSEs, so mate, it's just taking up time. But other than that, thank you everyone for staying with me, tuning in and things like that. But yeah, this is sort of it's cracking on now. I'm just wiring up the sound system for it at the minute, and bits like that. Other than that, that's about it. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the little short clips. Obviously I've got to sort out the idling a little bit more. It's sitting just below 1,000 revs, which is just about where you want it. At the minute it's about 900, and the choke's playing up, so just got to sort these little issues out. I'm putting the boot liner kit in the boot at some point and little jobs like that. Other than that, massive thank you to those 3 guys anyway. And yeah, thank you everyone for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. I will be back very shortly with some new content and things. Other than that, I'll see you shortly, so thank you very much, and I hope you have a good week and good weekend.